I'd like to ask you a question. When was the last time you found yourself out in the natural world with a chance to just listen?
Now let's go back to that moment. What did you hear? The leaves rustling? The gentle lapping against the shore? Or maybe the lulls of cricket sounds at night? Now let's go a bit further. When you heard those natural sounds, where did they take you? Not outside, but inside, within yourself. Perhaps they were a window into your past. Over the course of our study, we've learned about the ways natural sounds help restore our attention, relax our anxieties, and enchant our daily lives. And I've come to believe, even help us remember.